Drink only 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and honey and these 10 things will happen to your body. We can easily say that apple cider vinegar is one of the healthiest and most powerful ingredients on the planet. This simple but very useful ingredient can provide many health benefits for you and your health in general. This amazing tool can help you treat and prevent many health problems such as asthma, arthritis, blood loss, eczema, fatigue, etc. And remember, you should always consider moderation when you use this powerful ingredient because some studies have shown some serious health risks caused by excess amounts. Apple cider vinegar is amazing, and when you mix it with raw honey, it will become even more powerful health booster. There are many different health benefits that you can experience from drinking honey and apple cider vinegar in the morning immediately after you wake up. Health benefits. It nourishes the skin and gives you a more youthful appearance naturally. Eliminates bad breath. It works great as a sore throat remedy. It will boost your energy levels, reduces cholesterol levels and lowers blood pressure. Speeds up the weight loss process, reduces inflammation, improves digestive health and helps relieve constipation. Eases joint pain and reduces arthritic pain, helps relieve acid reflux and heartburns. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.
Honey and apple cider vinegar, powerful combination to clean your colon and lower blood pressure. Honey health benefits. Honey has been used by countless cultures all around the world over the past 2,500 years. The numerous health benefits of honey have made it an important element of traditional medicines across the globe. Some people can eat honey directly, put it on bread like a jam, mix it with juice or any drink instead of sugar, or mix it with warm water, lime juice, cinnamon and other herbs to make a medicine. It is favored by all due to its taste as well as health benefits, making it extremely useful and versatile. Honey has high levels of monosaccharides, fructose and glucose, containing about 70 to 80% sugar, which gives it its sweet taste. Minerals and water make up the rest of its composition. Honey also possesses antiseptic and antibacterial properties. In modern science, we have managed to find useful applications of honey in chronic wound management. Honey contains a variety of vitamins and minerals. The type of vitamins and minerals and their quantity depends on the type of flowers used for apiculture. Commonly, honey contains vitamin C, calcium and iron. If you check the vitamin and mineral content in regular sugar from any other source, you will find it to be completely absent or insignificant. Honey has antibacterial and antifungal properties, so it is often used as a natural antiseptic in traditional medicines. Honey contains nutraceuticals, which are very effective for the removal of free radicals from the body. As a result, our body immunity is improved against many conditions, even potentially fatal ones like cancer or heart disease. Apple cider vinegar health benefits. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is a well-documented household product that you may use in both cooking and for aid and healing. From curing sore throats to calming sunburns and bites, apple cider vinegar has been touted for hundreds of years as one of nature's most effective and inexpensive cure-alls. It's even used in weight loss by helping the body flush out more fats and giving a person's metabolism the boost it needs. With all the positive effects ACV has on the body, it's no wonder that it may prove useful in helping you lower blood pressure as well. But, the real question is, how does apple cider vinegar work in lowering high blood pressure? Apple cider vinegar for blood pressure is believed to work in a number of ways. First, it is a great component in helping to lower bad cholesterol, which in turn has a positive effect on blood pressure. ACV is also a detoxifier, and can help your body fight off diseases and release free radicals that wreak havoc on your body on a daily basis, which also indirectly can help to reduce blood pressure. When you use apple cider vinegar for high blood pressure remedy, you are most likely giving your entire body a boost, not just treating your blood pressure issues. Medical studies have shown that people who consumed apple cider vinegar in their daily meals showed lower levels in their blood pressure without changing anything else in their diets, according to recent medical reports. You can have the same results in simply adding ACV to your daily diet. Apple cider vinegar and honey cleansing drink. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of meadow honey, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a glass of warm water. Procedure: first, you should mix the ingredients in hot water. Shake the mixture until honey is melted completely and then slowly drink it. Maybe you will not like the taste at first, but you'll get used to it. You should consume a glass or 2 from this homemade cleansing drink a day. Other healing properties of this combo: improves digestion, detoxification, stimulates circulation, strengthens the mucous membranes of the throat, prevents hoarseness, energizes and works against fatigue, slows down premature aging, helps with exhaustion, acts on gut health, lowers blood pressure,